Hello Goenkans, we are going through human respiratory system. It's on page number 112 of your textbook. We are done up to trachea, and I told you at the lower end of trachea, it splits into two primary bronchi. Fine. And within the lung, each bronchus is divided many times into bronchioles. Fine. Then, after bronchioles, the bronchiole terminates in a sac called alveolus. Alveoli are the actual sites of respiratory exchange. That's why they are called functional units of lungs. Each alveolus has a dense network of blood capillaries on its outside. Then, the last part of human respiratory system, that is lungs, they are a pair of highly elastic, hollow, membranous, bag-like structures situated in the thoracic cavity. Rib cage protects the lungs along with the heart. So, rib cage does not protect lungs only, it protects heart as well, because heart is situated between two lungs. The broader surface of the lungs rests on a sheet of muscles. A shelf-like structure is in the body, what we call diaphragm. It forms the floor of the thoracic cavity and separates thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. Because body has been divided into two cavities, the upper region is called thoracic cavity and the region below diaphragm is called abdominal cavity. The lungs are covered by two membranes called pleural membranes. Fine. Let me show you with the help of paintbrush. This is pleural membrane. Two membranes are there. Fine. Then this is trachea. You can see this is trachea. Fine. It has incomplete C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Then this trachea splits into right bronchus and left bronchus. This is right bronchus. Right bronchus further splits into three parts. Fine. Three bronchi are there. So the right bronchus is divided into three bronchi, and these three bronchi go into three lobes of the right lung. The left bronchus is divided into two bronchi, which goes to two lobes. Fine. In between the lungs, you can see heart is there. And there is a diaphragm. Fine. Diaphragm is, these are muscles. Fine. Sheet of muscles, you can say. And these are ribs, rib cage. They form a rib cage, and what they help in, they protect the lungs. Not only lungs, they protect lungs as well as heart. This is all about human respiratory system. Thank you so much.